Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Chrome delete your Tesla Model S. First, let's gather the necessary tools and prepare your workspace. You'll need a good quality vinyl wrap, a squeegee, a heat gun, and a sharp utility knife. Make sure your car is clean and dry and work in a comfortable environment, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Before applying any vinyl, it's crucial to thoroughly clean all Chrome surfaces. Use isopropyl alcohol to remove any wax, grease, or dirt, ensuring a perfect adhesion. Next, measure each Chrome piece and cut your vinyl slightly larger, giving you some overlap to work with. Begin applying the vinyl slowly, using your squeegee to push out air bubbles as you go, working from the center outwards. For those tricky curves and corners, a heat gun is your best friend. Gently warm the vinyl to make it more pliable, allowing it to stretch and conform perfectly to the car's contours. Once applied, carefully trim any excess vinyl using a very sharp utility knife, following the natural lines of the chrome. Finally, go over all edges, pressing them down firmly, and give them a light reheat to ensure a strong, durable seal. To ensure your Chrome delete lasts, avoid overstretching the vinyl during application, as this can cause it to lift or fade over time. For maintenance, simply clean the wrapped areas with mild soap and water. Harsh chemicals can damage the finish. If you encounter any small bubbles later, a pinprick and gentle heat can often fix them. And for a fresh interior, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your ride looking and smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.